Ford made a mistake, a significant one, concerning how they approached artificial intelligence. They believed AI would automatically deliver a core business outcome. It did not. Like many companies, Ford began integrating AI into its product development processes. The underlying assumption was straightforward. Simply introducing artificial intelligence would inherently lead to a high-quality product. This was their initial expectation, a hope that AI could streamline and perfect outcomes. This confidence in AI's independent capabilities led to a strategic shift in their workforce. They reduced their reliance on a critical internal asset, their highly experienced engineers. These veterans, often affectionately called gray beards in the industry, represent deep institutional knowledge, practical experience, and an intuitive understanding of complex systems developed over decades. However, the reality diverged sharply from the expectation. The AI, on its own, did not produce the desired quality. Despite its implementation, the outcome was not a high-quality product. AI simply fell short of this specific, crucial requirement. The systems in place could not replicate the comprehensive understanding needed for true product excellence. Faced with this clear performance gap, Ford took decisive action. They reversed course. The solution was pragmatic and direct. They rehired those same experienced engineers. The gray beards were brought back into the fold, their expertise once again recognized as essential for maintaining and achieving high product standards. This story offers a clear signal for any professional or builder working with AI. AI is an incredibly powerful set of tools. It can analyze vast datasets, automate repetitive tasks, and identify patterns invisible to humans. It excels at optimization within defined parameters, but it is not a replacement for fundamental human judgment. It does not possess an inherent understanding of quality in a complex product context. That definition, and the myriad nuanced decisions required to achieve it, still reside with human expertise. Quality in a product like an automobile involves deep considerations of safety, long-term reliability, intuitive user experience, and even subtle aesthetic appeal. These are often difficult to quantify purely through data for an AI model to grasp autonomously. The Ford executive's quote is particularly revealing. Mistakenly, we thought that by just introducing artificial intelligence, that would produce a high-quality product. This statement perfectly illustrates the pervasive gap between AI hype and its practical, real-world application. AI systems excel at defined tasks within their training parameters. They can optimize for metrics, predict trends, and even generate designs, but they do not automatically translate raw data into the holistic, subjective, and often intuitive understanding of product excellence that comes from years of human experience and industry wisdom. An AI doesn't have a gut feeling for potential failure points, nor does it inherently understand what truly delights a customer in a way that goes beyond a simple data point. This nuanced understanding is precisely what separates good products from truly great ones, and it's where human insight remains paramount. If you are building AI solutions or integrating AI into your product development lifecycle, this is your wake-up call. Do not assume AI will solve your quality control issues by default. It can provide invaluable insights, optimize specific processes, and assist decision-making by sifting through immense amounts of data. But it absolutely needs human intelligence to set the standards, to interpret the more subtle results, and to make the ultimate, experience-driven calls on what constitutes a truly high-quality output. AI augments human capabilities. It does not autonomously guarantee excellence or replace the need for deeply skilled professionals who understand the entire product ecosystem and its human users. This lesson applies across industries, from software to manufacturing. Ford's experience is a stark, real-world example of AI's current limitations when left unchecked. This isn't an anti-AI message. It's a pro-smart AI implementation message. AI is immensely valuable, but its true power is maximized when it is precisely paired with and intelligently guided by experienced human professionals. If this insight helps you navigate the AI landscape, hit the like button. For more direct, no-nonsense takes on what's actually happening in AI, subscribe to Hands-Free AI.